This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vespiary stash, full guide. Approach the Vespiary slowly, crouch when near the entrance, and keep noise to a minimum to avoid disturbing guards. Scan for visual markers and listen for faint buzzing that signals stash proximity. Use stealth tools and light bait to separate defenders, then grab the container swiftly and retreat on the planned route to your extraction point. To locate the stash, sweep the area in overlapping arcs and pay attention to shadow inconsistencies near comb clusters. Look for subtle reflections, unusual debris, or disturbed pollen that hint at a hidden cache. Use a brief, controlled light burst rather than prolonged illumination to avoid drawing attention. Mark the spot mentally, back away to plan extraction, and ensure your escape path is clear before attempting retrieval. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more people find these tips and support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to review notes and field guides while on the move, and it pairs nicely with compact packing. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if interested. Now let's get back to the video. When extracting, deploy a timed distraction to draw sentries away from the stash and create a safe window. Work quickly and use only the tools that fit the stash opening to minimize time exposed. After securing the contents, move along your planned route and avoid backtracking through recent disturbance zones. Keep communications silent and signals minimal to reduce detection risk while carrying the stash to your rendezvous point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.